Welcome everyone to lesson 2 of Adobe Illustrator. First of this video, we will study about the layer panel overview. Go to the menu bar window and then click on the layer to open the layer panel. It is the layer panel that we use to show all of the elements you added to your project. For example, like when you click on the object in your project and then the object in the layer also selected. This visibility column, that is the eye icon, you can use it to show or hide the object in your project. The edit column, it is for lock and unlock the object. And for this two locked object, you cannot move it. So for the locked object, you cannot remove it or edit it. But for the unlocked object, you can remove, you can edit, you can do whatever you want. And I will prepare it again. Then when I locked all of the object in the layer, so I cannot do anything on our project right now. Even you change to another tool, it's not work at all. The target column is for the item are targeted for application of effect and edit attribute in the appearance panel. Target button appear as a drawing icon. The item is targeted. A single ring icon indicated that the item is not targeted. And the selection column indicate that the item are selected. A color box appear when the item is selected. And the color can be changed. Change the display of the layer panel. First you have to click on the three-line bar menu and go to panel option. Here you can click on show layer only to show only the layer. And it is the row size that you can use as a small or medium or large, and also customize as a pixels. And I will choose small and click OK. So right here, the row of the object layer is changed to small. And I try to change to the light size. Then you can try and test it by yourself to see the difference. Set the layer and sub-layer option. This is every object layer. And go to the menu again and click on new layer. You can set the name here, then you can choose the color. And you can select or unselect this option below, then click OK. I will draw a rectangle here. I'll remove the border. Duplicate as a new rectangle and merge it together to get a new shape and use in this new layer. And here, go to the menu again and click on the new sub-layer. Everything is the same to create the layer. I will just set the name and choose the color and then click OK. I will draw some circle and merge it together to get a new shape. Create layer. Create the layer in this way. We use it with the function that is on the layer panel. So right here, I will click on this button to create a new layer. And this button is for creating the sublayer. Before you create the sublayer, make sure that you already select one of the layer first. And then you can create a lot of sublayer here with this one button. Move an object to a different layer. I will show you a simple way to move an object to a different layer. First, I will create a new layer 1. Then you can select an object in the layer, or you can select the object in the artboard. Drag the selected object in the old layer to another layer. And now the object is already moved to another layer completely. Release item to separate layer. For example here, we have two layers that both layers have their own sub-layer, and I will move the sub-layer of layer 3 to the layer 4 by drag this layer to the layer 4. It's really simple. Consolidate layer and group. To group the layer, for example, here we have 1 to 7 layer. Okay, and I will choose layer 3 and layer 4 to merge it together by selecting these two layers first and go to menu bar, merge selected. Okay, you can see there's no layer 3, there's only layer 4. And for this example, I will merge all of the layer into the one layer. Just select all of the layer and then click on the menu button and merge selected. Then you will get a group of the layer in the one layer. Okay, the last one, search and filter layer and object. It's good for when you design a project that has a lot of element or object and you want to find it in the layer panel. To search, you can see the search button at the bottom of the layer panel. You just select the object in your project, go to the search button to search where the object is. Okay, our video is only this, and thank you for your attention. And see you in the next video.